Hello, welcome to another episode of Gumzo Cybersecurity Podcast. Today we are very happy because not only are we talking theory or talking about principles of cybersecurity, but we are profiling a particular product in use case that is meant to be handled from a compliance point of view and from a cybersecurity point of view generally, right? So today we are going to speak about information lifecycle and principles of data privacy, just two principles of data privacy, and then we can segue to the tool or platform that can be locally hosted in your organization to help you in these concepts that we are talking about. Remember, every compliance aspect will either come from a law, an internal policy, or an industry standard. So let's look at our discussion today. Let's begin by understanding the information lifecycle management. How does information exist? In which form? How does it begin? How does it end? So information within any enterprise organization begins with being created or being collected. Then from there, it's distributed or used in any other way. After that, it is retained, and then finally, it is disposed. Let's look at a case in point. When you want to raise an imprest, you need to rush somewhere for capacity building. What do? You draft a memo, and then you go and raise that imprest in a system such as an ERP. There you will fill in a form, you will attach your memo for approval. So the point where you're drafting that memo, you're creating that data or information, that information. Then when you click send for approval, you are distributing that information. The recipients will use it, whether they will accept, reject, they will sign it. That is using that information. You have distributed it for usage, right? So that is stage two. After it has been fully approved, then what happens? It's still retained in your system. So the upload could have gone to the document management system. The other metadata might have gone to a database. So that is retention. So after some years, people will do a backup and delete all that archived information, right? Or probably now it's moved into a cold storage, right? So that is disposal. So information goes through what is called creation as stage two, stage one, stage two, it's distributed, stage three, it's retained, stage four, it's disposed. We are clear on information lifecycle management.